Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and I hope you had a lovely week last week and you are ready for this week. I'm filming this on a Monday, just came home from work and kind of did a detour on my way home and went to Home Bargains, and that is what I have for you today. It's a lot of cleaning products and some homeware products, so I'm just gonna get right into it. I'll let you know how much everything was, and someone just please stop me from going here because I can't stop going to Home Bargains. Got the receipts. Okay, so I'm gonna start with cleaning products first. So I had to pick up a couple of things that I've bought in the past and I've now ran out of, so they're kind of like rebuys, and I picked up some things that are new. So let's just get into that and you'll see what I got. So I got a Harpic Pine toilet cleaner. I got the pink Harpic one, can't remember the scent of it, a while ago in my last Home Bargains haul, but I just kind of wanted the pine one as well because I really like the smell of this. I had the duck pine toilet gel, but I think I actually like this better. As soon as I've come home, I've literally gone to the bathroom and put this in the toilet just to smell it, and I really do prefer this one to the duck one, and it just makes me think of Christmas time. Speaking of Christmas time, I have also bought the Febreze Air Mist in Spiced Apple. This smells so good. Like, hang on. Oh my days, it's so nice. Honestly, this just smells like Christmas. Like, I cannot stop spraying it, and it's only September, but it just smells so good. I'm obsessed with Christmas scents, like absolutely obsessed. Next thing I got was the Flash bathroom stuff. I don't know what it's called, but it's kind of like a liquid form of the spray bottles that you can get. It has a fresh scent from Febreze, so it actually has this really lovely scent that it leaves your bathroom smelling like. I use this, it removes soap scum, so I use this for my shower, and I use this for my bath as well. Literally love this stuff. Just finished my last bottle and that lasts me ages, so I just thought I'd pick another one up. This was only £1. Oh, and also the Harpic Pine was £1 and the Febreze Air Freshener was £1.49. Next up is a 1001 Carpet Fresh. This is in the Thai Orchid scent. I don't have much carpet, like I've said before in my videos, around my house. I've just got a little bit in my room, and I've got this kind of long rug that's actually sitting right there, but you can't see it. So I literally use this all the time as well. This is just another one that I'm just rebuying because I've gone through so many cans of this stuff and it just leaves the room smelling amazing. This was £1.89, not £1.49. So, I mean, I don't know if that's classed as expensive. When I go to Home Bargains, anything over £1, I'm kind of like, oh, I shouldn't be like that. But this being £1.89, I feel like they don't last that long. Like, I have to constantly buy new ones of these because I just run out, but maybe I'm just using it too much. I don't know. Next up, I got some blue toilet and bathroom wipes. I love these. Also, I love how pink the packaging is. It's so cute. I just keep these next to my toilet, and every day when I do my Harpic toilet gel, I'll do a wee wipe with these around the toilet as well. These are just so handy. They're nice and small as well because I just would rather use something that I'm using every day, use a smaller wipe, not like a big floor wipe on my toilet or anything, because it's just, I don't know, it's just too much, and I'm really wanting to start buying biodegradable cleaning wipes, and I just haven't found any. So if you've got any suggestions, please let me know. And these were £1 as well, by the way. Next up, I'll just quickly show you, I just got some refills for my Dishmatic. This thing is amazing. Like, I always pick up refills when I'm in Home Bargains, even if I don't need them, because our flat, like me, my boyfriend and our roommate, we use them every day for washing our dishes. If you guys would like to see my cleaning cupboards, or if you're a Mrs. Hinch fan, you're Narnia, if you'd like to see my cleaning cupboard, I could always do a tour of it because I have it very organized and everything's where it's supposed to be. So if you wanted to see that or any clean with me's, just let me know down in the comments. These were 89p as well, by the way. The next thing I got is the Star Drops, the pink stuff, the cream clearer, cream clearer, blah, 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 that's hard to say, the Miracle Cream Cleaner. So this is just the kind of cream form of the Pink Stuff paste or the Pink Stuff spray. I have both of the other ones, but I really like using a cream cleaner on my hob and sometimes on my sink as well. So I thought I would just pick this up, give it a try, and now I have like everything from the Pink Stuff and they can all sit together in a nice little box and they're all pink and it's just lovely. But yeah, so I just literally wanted to pick this up just to try it out, and actually I've run out of my Cif cream cleaner, so this is a very good replacement. This was 99p, which I find is amazing. Like, look how much product you get. You get 500 mils of product in this. Like, such a good deal. The last cleaning type product is, well, it is kind of classed as cleaning, is this Astonish Delicate Non-Bio 2-in-1 liquid. This is for the washing machine, for my laundry. I've never tried this one before, but I've heard that Astonish is very gentle products. Yeah, so this is cruelty free and vegan, which is really great, and it's also got a built-in fabric conditioner. I will probably still use my Lenore Spring Awakening in the washing machine with it though, because I just love the smell of it. This was £1.79. Moving on to more homeware, I got this vase and some flowers. I have one very similar to this already in my house, but I just got a bath rack or bath board, whatever you call the thing you put over the bath, so you can like pop candles and things on it. I got the glass, which was 79p, and then I just got these flowers in a different aisle to pop in, and it's just really, really pretty. The flowers were £1.99, which is really good. And it's just beautiful, and it looks so just very classy and just simple and elegant, and I really, really like them. And I have quite a few of these kind of vase and flower situation things going around in my house, because when I get flowers, I forget to put more water in the vase and then they die quite quick, so having artificial ones is probably the best for me. This was a bit of a random one, but I literally got this clear cup. It's for my coffee. I quite like the look of coffee when it's in a clear cup. I just think it makes it look more tasty. This was 79p, and you know, there's not much I can really say about that, but yeah. Another one that is kind of boring is this lint roller. This was 59p, and I lost the last lint roller, and my boyfriend kept going on about the fact that I had lost it and that he didn't have one for his work clothes. So I've picked this up and I'm going to put it on his pillow in his bed, in our bedroom, to surprise him that I got it. I then got this sink tidy. So I really needed one of these to put like my minkies and like my sponges and things in at the side, because I've literally just got them up against the back of my sink. So these were really handy looking, so I just kind of picked this up. It says sink tidy, keep your cleaning utensils together, and I'm not going to put my Dishmatic in it. I'm just going to put the cloths that I use for cleaning the surfaces. And this was £1.99, which is so good, so good. Love home bargains, man. Now I got one of these. I actually bought one of these a couple weeks ago. Actually no, it was last week. I go to Home Bargains all the time. I bought this. I've put all my coffee in it, so I thought I would get another one to put my tea in, or I might use it for the guinea pigs and put the guinea pigs treats in here, because I just think it looks nicer, and then I just know where they are. I really need a label maker so I can put wee labels on all my containers, and I think I'll definitely go back and get some more of these just so they're all the same, and yeah, very nice. This was £1.99 as well. Next up, I picked up this basket. This is a beautiful blush pink. Oh, and it goes to my nails. How nice. This is a blush pink basket. This was £1.99. I love how it comes with a lid. I bought one last week from there, and I just wanted to pick up another one. I think I'm going to put all my nail polishes in them. The last one that I picked up, I put all my bath bombs in. So I kind of want to keep with the theme of just popping things like beauty bits in them. So I think this is going to be where my nail polishes are kept. Moving on to the last two bits, it is not a haul for me if there's no candles in it. So I picked up another one of the caramel apple cakes, because I have literally burned through my last one already. I've only had it for like a week or two. I just love the smell of these candles, and they're £1.99, right? And they make the whole room smell so good. Like, you could walk out the room and not even light it and just have it sitting like this, and it'll make the room smell, but when it's lit it smells more. But oh my goodness, like everyone that's come around to my house is like, what are you burning? It smells so good. And it's this caramel apple cake, Home Bargains, £1.99. You can't go wrong. Bath and Body Works ones are like 20 quid and you have to get them on Amazon, or actually they're even more expensive unless you go and fly to America and get them. But these are so similar, and the smell just poof, it goes everywhere. And the very last thing I got, because it's almost October and it's almost Halloween, I found this little guy. He's so cute. So this is a wax melt burner, and it comes with a wax melt on the top and it says ripe pumpkin. So I cannot wait to burn this and put a little tea light in and he'll be lit up. I think I'm going to have this on the table next to my front door, so when people come in it's just right there for them to see. I'm really excited to see if this wax melt smells nice. I can't really smell it now. Hang on. The power of acrylic nails, you can just bam. Let's see, let's have a wee sniff. Oh, that does smell nice. That actually does smell really nice. Oh, lovely. Oh, exciting. This was £1.49. So you've got your wax melt, you've got your pumpkin. All you need to do is just pop a tea light in the back here. £1.49, like that's amazing. You could get quite a few of these and like pop them on your front door in the evening, and it would just look so cute. So yeah, very pleased. Okay guys, that is it for my Home Bargains haul. Thank you so much for watching. I absolutely love Home Bargains, and I know I keep doing Home Bargains and B&M hauls, but you guys seem to really like them. And if you guys like them, then I'll keep doing them because I go all the time, so why not show you guys what I got. So if you want any other types of videos from me, then please like and subscribe, and then maybe comment down below what videos you want to see. I was thinking of doing like an everyday makeup routine. Oh, by the way, forgot to say, excuse my eyebrows through the whole of this, like they need to get done, like they are in a bad way. Oh, anyway, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!